Hi everyone, I am Sister Nwanneka, a member of Medical Missionaries of Mary Congregation. Today we're going to talk about drug and substance abuse among youths. This is a common problem all over the world. A lot of young people engage in the use of drugs and substances, and this is affecting their general well-being. Recently, the use of codeine became a common thing in some parts of the world. Even children in secondary school, junior secondary school, use this. At times they add it to soft drinks, at times they just drink it, and at times they use it to engage in other crimes like rape. They give it to young girls, and when they sleep, they rape them. Drug abuse is a terrible thing, and I wish young people really know the impact, the effect of this on them, because it affects both the physical, psychological, and social well-being of every human person. Some drugs can make one to become a psychiatric patient. Something like the something like the use of codeine. When codeine is used excessively, it can affect the mental health of a person. We think of, if we are talking of drug abuse, we're not talking about only narcotics. Even the use of simple drugs like paracetamol can also, abuse of them can also affect the well-being of a person. The paracetamol affects the liver and also the kidney. Most drugs, when they are abused, can affect our organs like liver and the kidney, because the kidney is the excretory organ of most substances we take. So when we abuse certain substances and drugs, our kidney will be affected, and we may end up going for kidney transplants, which at times may not be successful. Then we talk of use of narcotics. We have a lot of young people who are in psychiatric hospital. It's not something to be happy about. I wish the young people will appreciate the effects that abuse of drugs are having on them. Many young ones who are roaming the streets and engaging in crimes like stealing, street fighting, most often it is used because they are abusing drugs. And many of them are from poor homes, so they don't even feed well. And then they take either alcohol, or they take Indian hemp, or they take codeine, and so many other ones that I can't mention because of time. It's very important that our youths will shun the abuse of substances. It is very important also that those who are already abusing drugs will seek for help. There are centers where people can seek for counseling. Most often, if we Google it in the internet, if we check the internet, we can see places we can get help if we are already abusing substances. How can we help those who are already abusing substances? It's very important that youths themselves help youths. Youths support youths. When your friend, if you see that your friend who is a young person like yourself is abusing drugs, it's important not to laugh. Don't castigate. Call the person close and know why the person is going into that life, and explain the effects to that person. If the person needs a counselor, seek for one. Like those who are abusing alcohol, AA exists, Alcoholic Anonymous, and they are very helpful. Some might need to meet a counselor or a psychiatrist. You don't need to be completely mad to go to hospital or to go and meet a psychiatric doctor. Once you see that your emotional health or mental health is challenged, or you can't control the use of drugs, please, either yourself or your friends or family can support the person and take the person to the hospital. There is a way the person can be managed and the person will be able to get over the use of substances and drugs. Thank you for listening. We hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like and share with your friends and families. If you have any comments or you have questions, you are free to write to us. If it's a personal one, we'll respond to you personally. But if you want it to be spoken in public, if it's a public one, we'll also answer that. Thank you very much. I remain Sister Nwanneka. God bless.